Everyone is a blessing. Every being has a heart. Each man, in a way, is a woman's part. Wave of freedom, move all around. Instilled balanced opportunities with a harmonic sound. Let's nurture environment with flag of equality. Manuring education, care love with sanctity. Good morning, everybody. Myself, Lakshika Dashora.
And myself, Khushali Paliwan, member of Legal Literacy Club, Maharana Mewar Public School, gives you a warm welcome on the occasion of National Girl Child Day. National Girl Child Day is celebrated every year on January 24. It was started by the Ministry of Women and Child Development in 2008. It aims to spread awareness about gender inequality in India's society and challenge gender stereotypes.
Now, I would like to take the privilege to welcome our special guest, Alumina Soumya Vyas, state level swimmer, national level kayaki player, national level debater, prize in poetry and creative writing, scored 94.6% in 12th board, 100 on 100 in 12th board, presently studying in Delhi University English Honours. Alumina Shivangi Paliwal, BCom Honors, Delhi University, pursuing CSCS, participated in national level debate competition on Gotan, winner of district level debate competition organized by IIM Udaipur, comparing 5th School Orchestra at MMCF Award function first day. Alumina Tanya Sharma is a great artist and she is right now pursuing fine arts from Vadodara. Alumina Hani Sanadya from batch 2005, she pursued graduation from Wilson College, Mumbai. At present, she is heading the PR and digital marketing team at Panasonic Middle East and Africa. Alumina Sabha Patwala. She teaches us to be courageous in any situation. She has been social activist at Seva Mandir. She has worked as a teacher in convent school also. She pursued mass media communication at present. She has been working with some US-based companies as a marketing associate. Alumina Roshni Chaudhary, she has been an active sports person playing basketball and marathons. She has been a social activist and has participated in various programs and she has been HR manager at DU Beat Media Production. Alumina Pooja Galundia, she is internationally ranked person of billiards and snookers. She is a nominee of Guinness Book of Records and Limca Book of Records. She is certified world coach. She is formally associated with some education programs. She has received state level awards like Maharana Pratap Award and Vikram Award. She is HR consultant and trainer with Born to Win company.
Now, I would like to call our participants. We'll first start with the PowerPoint presentation. I would like to call Dvijesh for his presentation.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vijay Shamita, and I study in class 9th of Maharana Mewar Public School. On this occasion of National Girls' Day, I would like to wish a very happy National Girls' Day to all the girls. And I would like to present a PPT which shows how we can empower girls. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call our chief guest, Soumya Vyas, to address some words.
Hello, everyone. A very good evening to one and all present here. And I'm Soumya Vyas. Some of you, like most of you, know me. And मैं शुरुआत करूंगी कुछ पंक्तियों से. जिंदगी यूं ही बिताने का इरादा दिल में मत लाना. जीवन में अपनी छाप छोड़ने का मकसद आज ही अपनाना. उठ जाग अभी समय और मन भी हमारा है. एक दिन एक सितारा तेरे नाम का भी जगमगाए इस जहां में, जगमगाए इस जहां में. Once again, a very good evening to one and all present here, and I feel really happy and blessed to be invited here on the occasion of National Girl Child Day. A girl child is a blessing, a beautiful gift from God. Courage, sacrifice, determination, commitment, toughness, heart, talent, guts. That's what girls are made of. Girls can be powerful agents of change, and nothing should keep them away from participating in all the areas of life. Nothing is impossible if you work hard. Prove all those people wrong who say that you can't. Let your name shine like a pearl. Be fearless and strong. Always keep going, girl. So again, you all know me, I'm Soumya Vyas, and I'm the ex-student of Maharana Mewar Public School. Currently, I'm pursuing English Honours from Delhi University, Aryabhat College. And first of all, I want to thank my school because whatever I am today, it is because of my school, all the teachers, principal sir, and I will always give my best in my life, in my future, and always make my school like proud of me. So, to begin with, I think the first step to success is to overcome our fears and face all the challenges of life. 8 years back, I was a water phobic, and now I feel great to introduce myself as a state level swimmer and a national level kayaking player. Never be afraid of failure in life because a fall can teach you how to rise. It was a district level debate competition, and in front of a large audience and the district collector, I was blanked out after speaking 2 lines of my speech. Yes, I was embarrassed. Yes, I didn't win, but neither I did lose because that day failure taught me so much more than the happiness a success could ever give me. After that competition, I got back to back 3 gold medals in debate. And before joining this meeting today, I had a debate competition organized by Hindu College, Delhi University, and I got second position there also. I was the president of Interact Club, the deputy head girl, and then the head girl of my school. I've also received prizes in poetry and creative writing competitions, and I got 94.6% in my 12th board examination, and I got 100 on 100 marks in fine arts subject in board itself. But I think it's just a start, and there's a lot more to achieve in life. I just want to say you all that trust yourself and give your best in whatever path you choose. It is not always important to win, but it is important to make an effort. So we should keep trying, keep learning, and keep going in life. अपने सपनों को साकार करने का जुनून दिल में बनाए रखना, हौसले की इस आग को यूं ही सदा जलाए रखना, यूं ही सदा जलाए रखना. Thanks for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I would like to call Tanya Sharma for her words.
Hello. Uh, Hello, Tanya. I'll be happy to say you in reward. Hello, most welcome, beta.
Ma'am, your mic is off.
Okay, sorry. So first of all, thank you so much for inviting me. And secondly, obviously एक ये हमारा जो स्कूल है and मतलब जो है आज हम it's all because of our education and जो हमने टीचर्स ने जो हमें इतना क्वालिटी एजुकेशन दिया है एंड ऑब्वियसली जो वो हमारे पीछे हार्ड वर्क करते हैं एंड सो बेसिकली right now I'm pursuing like I'm in third year and I'm pursuing a career in fine arts from MSU Baroda. And on this occasion of Girls Child Day, so one thing is that every girl should believe in themselves. And like, it's not about girls. Everyone should believe in themselves. First of all, it's very important to take care of yourself and believe in yourself and be kind to yourself. I think that's the most important thing. And that's the only key to success. Because अगर तुम अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं रखोगे तो कोई point ही नहीं है. And follow your dreams. And मतलब do whatever that makes you happy. Like, I don't have much to say. I'm a very bad in this speech and all stuff. But yeah. So wish you all guys a happy National Girl Child Day. Thank you and sorry.
Thank you. Now I would like to call Shivangi Paliwal. BCom Honors, Delhi University, pursuing CACS, participated in national level debate competition on Gotan, winner of district level debate competition organized by IIM Udaipur, comparing 5th School Orchestra at MMCF Award function, first day.
Okay, may I start? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A very good evening to one and all present here. Being an alumni and being part of family of highly educated females of Maharana Mewar Public School has always been a pride feeling, and today when given in this opportunity, it makes me nostalgic. Dear schoolmates, few things are best expressed in saying or verses. Starting to communicate reminds me of a Sanskrit shlok. अपूर्वः को अपि कोशो अयम विद्यते तव भारती व्यवते विद्धि मायति क्षय मायति sanchayat, which means the only treasure which does not diminishes by spending but enhances with spending is the treasure of knowledge, and school plays a vital role to nurture this and diminishing asset. First of all, thank you so much, Shweta ma'am, for inviting me. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this event.
Always welcome. Sorry to interrupt. Always welcome by heart. You are gems of our schools as well of ours. Most welcome, Vita.
I studied in a renowned school, but it was solely focused on learning only. But with all due regards to the school and teachers, a fortunate circumstantial situation occurred that I got admitted in Maharana Mewar Public School, which is a school that that has a culture to promote boys as well as girls. So before I take your time to narrate my journey, and after date, I specially mention Udyameen hi Siddhyanti Karyani na Manorath hai. That is, the meaning is talent, hard work, learning is all required except your genetic blessings. So I remember my first audition was taken by Shweta Sukhwal ma'am in the conference room only. I just remember that. So the opportunity given by her, and also the believing in my potential by principal sir and vice principal ma'am, I got multiple opportunities, which includes participation in Maharana Mewar Foundation Annual Awards 2016. I performed in front of Shri Arvind Singh Ji Mewar. That was a great opportunity. Also, I was a winner in inter-school debate organized by IIM Udaipur, and seeing my potential, I also participated in national level debate competition in LK Singhania Education Center, Gotan. So with all this motivation to me, backed by efforts of my parents, I believed I succeeded in delivering what was expected of me. This school geared me up in every possible manner, which definitely includes academics also. I secured the desired grade to qualify for University of Delhi BCom Honors. The habit of learning, talent, hard work resulted in top grades in my graduation also. Now I have directed my journey for becoming a company secretary and a chartered accountant. That's it, ma'am. Ma'am, your mic.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. All the best for the next, Vita. God bless you.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Now, I will love to call Roshni Chaudhary. She has been an active sports person playing basketball and marathons. She has been social activist and has participated in various programs and walkathons. She has been HR manager to DU at DU Beat Media Production.
Hi everyone. First of all, I'm really grateful. And honestly speaking, I was not expecting anything of this sort this evening, but it was very kind of Kusum ma'am and Shweta ma'am to get me on board at last minute. And the way Shweta ma'am pursued, it was very heartfelt. I mean, I can't tell you how good your teachers are.
And
It just feels like even
Vita, that's a very special one. Most welcome always, and we are incomplete without all of you gems. That's the true one. Most welcome, Vita.
That's true, but you are the ones who made us. So I mean, we are always there. We are just just a call away, always. So I mean, it was really very nice to be. I mean, it did not feel like I was not a part of this school. I left this school. It just felt like ma'am is calling me as she used to call me during the school. So it was very nice. So yeah, first of all, very happy National Girl Child Day, and it is very important that we celebrate this day because you see that girls are actually doing great wonders in all fields, and it is good. Even if we believe in building a equitable world, then only we can arrive at a point wherein we also will have people to talk to about things that we think, because our intellectual level will be so high that we really want everyone to be at that level so that we can interact. And you see that interaction is actually a food for thought. When you need to, when these things don't matter, like these things like your clothes, your how much money do you have in your pocket, it is basically your understanding, your intellect that matters. And when that day comes, when you all are at equal levels, with boys, with the LGBT community, or anyone for that matter, that is the day when we will have a utopic world on this earth. So again, a very very congratulations on National Girl Child Day. Now coming up to me, I am currently pursuing economics honors from St. Stephen's College. In class 12th, I got 98%, and that was a good score to get through Stephens. But one thing that I would like to mention, going into Stephens is not just about your marks. It is also about your personality. It is about interview that you have to face. It is also about a written test. And honestly speaking, I could clear interview only because of my grooming and the trust that my teachers and my parents had in me. Honestly speaking, it's very difficult to get through that interview. You have 5 people in your panel, and you're just blooming that okay, this should just end. But somewhere I had this confidence of my teachers, and only those faces I could remember during my interview that my teachers were saying this. So MMPS is a place where you have actually got an opportunity to create yourself. I mean, it's not about following. So there's a very good thing that Margaret or Atwood has to say. She says that people should not be taught what they should think. They should be taught how they should think. And that is exactly what MMPS does. You are being taught how you should think. You're not being forced into cramming up things, and that's great. You don't find schools of that sort. I mean, it's honest. You don't find school of that sort wherein you're just asked to cram up things, come and just vomit out. It's not like that. You are being encouraged to actually participate in conversations. You're being encouraged to think on your own, and that is what will matter when you will go beyond your school life. So be grateful to your teachers, honestly speaking. Be grateful to the place you are at, and make full use of it. Today you might not be able to understand the importance of that, but tomorrow, being on this side of the table, you will actually realize how important it was that your grooming came from the teachers that you have at NLPS. I mean, honestly speaking, they are literally grooming you to become who you will shine the world tomorrow. So that's amazing. Use the opportunity. You're getting great exposure. Use every bit of it. All the competitions, all the things that are happening in your school, and make use of art school, of course. So it's very beautiful. Also, one more thing that I would like to say is, don't think about what people think about you, because this is one thing that we do in school. I used to do a lot, and in coming to St. Stephen's, I realized that it's not actually what people think about me, it is what I think about myself. And the sooner you understand this lesson, that you should be confident about yourself, the more you will get from whatever you have. So just because, sometimes it happens, you are a first bencher. Now people around you will say, oh, he's a first bencher, let's not talk to him or her because he's kind of nerd. But honestly speaking, if sitting on first bench helps you, do it. Because again, it's not about how people think about you, it's about how you think about yourself. Stop caring about what the world thinks and do whatever you want to do. So that's pretty it. And I completely resonate with all the speakers that all those very good thoughts and quotes that were presented. I would completely resonate with all those things. So yeah, go ahead. All the very best. Also, if you have any questions or anything, then you can ask me also right now also and otherwise also. So yeah. We'll just take like 1 or 2 minutes if anyone wants to ask. Then otherwise we'll just move ahead.
All are agreed with your good thoughts, beta. There's no need to ask you. We are not there to interrogate you. You are part of us. Okay. So good
Not
going.
like,
Oh, I know, no, their expressions. All are satisfied souls right now. So God bless you for all this. Go ahead. Good luck.
I was thinking if they want to ask anything about in general, as in
Yes.
about you know, but yeah. So that's completely very much welcome. You can definitely contact me anytime with using Shweta ma'am. And in fact, I think any senior would be very happy to meet all of you. So yeah, all the very best and use your alumni base a lot. All the very best. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much to all our chief guests, special guests, to deliver their beautiful words and to motivate us. And now I would like to hand over this to my companion, Khushali, please.
A daughter is a wonderful blessing, a treasure from above. Now, I would request Netika Singatwarya to present her presentation.
Good evening, everyone.
Excuse
I,
me,
Netika
everyone.
Singhania,
I would like to welcome our Reverend HM Sir, Mr. Bijraj Singh Bagela, who always promote and nurture the talents of the students for their development and confidence building. Sir, please.
Good evening, everyone. It is a nice evening today. I can see this special world of girls is striving hard with this cold evening. And first of all, I express all my congratulations on the Girls' Day. And we have a lot of challenges. And because what my calculation says as per biology, that one girl equal to 100, but it is more than that. And in the old sayings, what we see that if a boy is born in a family, he can take care of one lineage, but girl basically is born and which can take care of two lineages. So that all natural affinities, blessings are there, but still we see that lot of things are to be done. And I can see all these energetic faces, they keep on striving hard, they keep bringing the laurels. And especially today, I can say that despite being Sunday, all are trying hard and they are trying to contribute. So my best wishes to you all. And I also extend my sorry that I joined a bit late. So kindly forgive me for that. My best wishes for this program. Please keep it up. And hopefully, I'll see that I'm hopeful that these all efforts will definitely sprout and they will all spread the fragrance in the world. So thank you so much to the coordinators for inviting me and all the best to this strong world of girls.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir. Khushali, please continue.
Now, I request Netika to present her presentation.
daughters are a precious gift. We should make an atmosphere of love, peace, and equality for them. Good evening, everyone. I am Natika Singaswaria of class 7th of school Maharana Mewar Public School would like to show you PPT about successful women of India. Made by Kushali Paliwal. Once again, happy National Girls' Child Day to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Natika. Now I request Dia Kothari to present her presentation.
Hello everyone, today I, Dia Kothari, is here to present before you all a PowerPoint presentation on the topic National Girl Child Day. So why should we save girl child? Can we all imagine our existence without any girl? No, not at all, right? So we should save them and also we should give them equal rights and opportunities. There are many women from our country who have been working very hard and also inspiring us. So why should we give education to girls? So remember, an educated girl educates the whole family. An educated girl can make informed choices. So at the last, I would like to say, we should all treat every child equally. Thank you.
Thank you, Dia. Music and rhythm find way into the secret place of the soul. Now I would like to invite Kushagra Chaturvedi for his performance.
Good evening, everyone. This is Kushagra Chaturvedi, and I'm here with a beautiful song called Ladki, originally sung by Mr. Sachin Jigar sir, Tanishka, and Kirtidan Gandhavi sir. I hope you all enjoy it. डोली खींची डोरी पालने की तूने मोरी मेरे सपनों को झुलाया सारी रात भले बगिया तेरी छुड़ी भले निंदिया तेरी चोरी बस इतनी सिया तू रखियो मेरी बात तेरी लाड़की मैं तेरी लाड़की मैं तेरी लाड़की मैं छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ तेरी लाड़की मैं तेरी लाड़की मैं तेरी लाड़की मैं छोड़ूंगी ना तेरा हाथ ओ रे ओ पारे बड़ा तू काले उड़ी जाग रे रे ओ पारे बड़ा तू काले उड़ी जाग रे मारे हाथू रही जानी आज नीरा तेरी लाड़की मैं खमा गणी मेरी डीकरी ने खमा गणी मेरी लाडली रे छोड़ना मेरा साथ. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kushagra. Now I call Pranjal.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Pranjal Jawar, student of Maharana Mewar Public School. I'm studying in class 7D. Today, I'm going to show you a poster on girl child. We should love, care, and give respect to a girl. We should protect a girl, let them smile. We should give them nutrition and we should educate them properly. We should let them free. I would like to suggest that we should save the girl child because they are the future of the upcoming world. Thank you.
Thank you, Pranjal. जब जब जन्म लेती है बेटी खुशियां साथ लाती है बेटी ईश्वर की सौगात है बेटी सुबह की पहली किरण है बेटी. I will welcome Priyanka Chauhan to show her poster.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Chauhan from Maharana Mewar Public School. Here's a poster made by me. It says, if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate a nation. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Now I would like to invite Maulik to show his poster.
Hello everyone, my name is Maulik Bhavna and I am from class 7D Maharana Mewar Public School. Today I will show my poster. This is my poster made by me. In now the world, the girl is going up. The girl is going up and touching the moon. Thank you. Hope you like the poster.
Thank you, Maulik. Girls are like flowers that are forever in bloom. Now Manya is going to show her poster. Speech is like a mirror for the soul. As man speaks, so is it. Now, I would like to invite Shriyanshi Rathod to present her speech.
A girl is the full circle. Within her is a power to create, nurture, and transform. Good evening, all my dear friends, respective teachers, honorable guests. My name is Shriyanshi Rathod. Today I'm here to introduce a girl who is the proud of our nation. Avni Chaturvedi was born on 27 November 1993. She is an Indian pilot. She was declared as the first woman combat pilot to take a solo flight in MiG-21 Bison. MiG-21 Bison is known for its highest takeoff and landing speed in the world at 340 km per hour. She was honored with a decorate degree, and on 9 March 2020, she was awarded with Nari Shakti Puraskar by Sri Ramnath Kovind and inspired many young girls by her work. The world needs strong women who will lift and build others, who will love and be loved, women who will live bravely. Thank you.
Thank you, Shriyanshi. No loss is ever enough, neither one nor many, to stop me for believing in myself. By P.V. Sindhu. Now, Daksh Jagetia is here to give a speech on P.V. Sindhu.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Daksha Getia of class 7. I am studying in Maharana Mewar Public School. Today, I am going to tell a short speech on the topic success and hard work of a girl and a woman. Today's era is not the same as before. Today, a girl child and a woman can also become a support of old parents by reading and writing. Today's girl can fulfill religious and social objectives. Women have successfully performed every role imposed upon them. A man without a woman is considered as a ship without sails. Woman and a girl are known to be symbol of spirituality, sacrifice, love, strength and courage. Mother Teresa, Kalpana Chawla, Pratibha Patel, Indira Gandhi, P.V. Sindhu, and many more have become successful in one or another fields. I am also a badminton player and I am also inspired and motivated by P.V. Sindhu. She is a great badminton player and she has also raised our country in the world championships. Nowadays, girls are becoming leaders, doctors, social workers, educators, etc. She is not even substituted as a nurse and a teacher. Then why there is discrimination and gender inequality? Why she is so neglected in the society? Like Kamala Harris has recently also elected as a vice president of USA, whose father was an Indian. In the end, we can say that today there is hardly any field of life in which women or a girl have not taken part or proved their ability. To conclude, women and a girl should be encouraged to learn new things and do something apart from the household works. Thank you.
Thank you, Daksh. A life totally committed to God has nothing to fear, nothing to lose, nothing to regret by Ramabai. Now I call Dhara Supal to give her speech.
Rise above the storm and you'll find the shine. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dharasal. So here I am to talk about a very well-known, hard-working woman of our nation, that is Ramabai Pandit. She was born in the Western Ghats in 1858 to Anand Shastri Ji and Lakshmi Bai Dungre. Rama had an unusual childhood. Gurukul and knowing the Purans by heart at a young age when contemporaries were getting married. With no hope to literacy, leave alone mastery of sacred texts in their lifetimes. Later on, she traveled across southern part of the Indian subcontinent as she and her sibling accompanied their parent as the wandering one. Even as the father sought to seek his God within the Madhva tradition. Rama was 16 and she lost both her parents and her sister to a severe famine that ravaged the Madras presidency. The year 1876 to 1878 made Rama question everything that her parents had held as true, their religion, their way of living, and the helplessness in face of poverty, etc. Her brother and Rama continued traveling to new things and made their lives took a different course. With many struggles, she learned Sanskrit. Pandit Ramabai arrived on the world stage as Pandita Ramabai. She was a pioneer in the education and social reformer. She was the first woman to be awarded the title of Pandita as a social Sanskrit scholar. She took her last breath on 5 April 1922 at Bombay. Not only Ramabai, there are more examples like this that have shown the world that can also change the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhara. Now Rajvi Bhatnagar is here to present her speech.
A girl is a miracle which shows magic every day in her life. Good evening, everyone. Today, I, Raji Bhatnagar of Class 6E Maharana Mewar Public School, is going to present a short speech on Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was a very religious woman. Her real name was Angel Gongsa Bojaxiu. She was born on August 26, 1910. At the age of 12, she decided to become a nun and serve the mankind with love and compassion. She served the needy, the poor, till her last breath. She founded a new sisterhood, missionaries for charity. Mother Teresa and her helpers built homes for orphans, nursing homes for lepers, and hospices for terminally ill. She also won a lot of awards. She won the Nobel Peace Prize, Balzan Prize, Pope John Award. Mother Teresa spent whole of her life serving the needy, and she is a great inspiration for all of us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Raj. Dhruvi Purohit is here to give her speech. People who do not take charge of their life are lathi charged by time. By this famous quotation of Kiran Bedi, I would like to call Bhavya Joshi to give her speech.
Dr. Kiran Bedi was born on 9th June 1949, is an Indian politician, retired Indian Police Service IPS officer, social activist and former tennis player who as of 29 May 2016 is the incumbent Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. She was the first female IPS officer and started her service in 1972. She remained in service for 35 years before taking voluntary retirement in 2007 as Director General Bureau of Police Research and Development. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Bhavya. Now I call Harshvardhan for the speech.
Hello everyone. My name is Harshwat Singh Chauhan and I am studying class 7C and I am from Maramura Public School. First of all, I say that happy National Girls Child Day. I will say a small speech. Okay. Girls also want to read and write and enjoy all the fundamental rights and not the environment rights. But I'm of the talented shows. Girls, I'm proud to be a girl child because which country continues mine. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshvardhan. Now I request Hargun to tell her speech.
Hello everyone. Today I Hargun Kaur Saluja on this occasion of National Girl Child Day is here to brief you about one of the greatest legend of India, who popularly known as Nightingale of Bollywood. Yes, she is none other than the legend Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar was born in September 28, 1929 at Indore. She was eldest daughter of Pandit Dinanath Mangeshkar, a Marathi and Konani musician. Lata Mangeshkar was introduced to music at an early age. With her singing career, she spans 70 years and recorded over 36 regional songs of India as well as foreign songs. But Lata Mangeshkar has faced struggles. When she was of barely 13 years old, her father, Pandit Dinanand Mangeshkar, died. The mantle of responsibilities naturally fell on the shoulders of Lata Mangeshkar. But destiny was not cruel altogether. Vinayak Dandur, the owner of Chitra Company, helped them. She sang a song for Marathi movie, but the song was cut in final release of the movie. That was her first song. After facing many difficulties, Lata Mangeshkar became a famous singer and received many awards. She received Bharat Ratna, Bharat, India's highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, Dada Saheb Palak Award. She was later awarded the Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award and Filmfare Special Award. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Hargun. Now I call Salma for the speech.
Hello everyone. You. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a very happy National Girl Child Day. Today, I will be talking about my inspiration, or someone who serves as an inspiration to millions of girls out there. Yes, you guessed it right. It's IPS Kiran Bedi, India's first woman officer who showed men that women were not no less than them and they could do anything. We all know it was not easy for her to achieve this. At the time of 90s, the people were very orthodox and did not allow girls to go out and study. But her parents supported her. She struggled a lot and finally, out of a batch of 80 men, she was the only woman selected. After her becoming an IPS officer, she broke out all the orthodox thinking and opened the people's eyes. She made them realize that they were wrong, which gave an opportunity to all the girls out there. She helped the girls get out of so called the four walls and follow their dreams. She wanted girls to understand that they have the capability to fight alone. I also have the same to say. At present, the girls must be strong enough, like Elsa, to fight alone, not like other Disney princesses who need a man to save them. You must be strong and independent. And this is what Kiran Bedi taught all of us. She has won several awards to embellish India's pride. Out of the many, some of them are Pride of India, the President's Police Medal, United Nations Award, Raman Magase Award, and many more. Even after she got retired, she did not give up. She became a social and political activist to help all the girls out there to do what they wanted to in their lives. She believed in following your dreams. They know the way. When I grow up, I also want to become an IPS officer just like Bedi ma'am and inspire all the girls out there. I hope I was able to convey everything about this great lady and my inspiration, Mrs. Kiran Bedi. Thank you.
Thank you, Salma. Now I call Maulik for the speech.
Hello everyone, my name is Maulik Bhavna and I am from Maharana Mewar Public School, class 730. Today I am going to speak on Shakuntala Devi, a genius who could impress people right from the age of 3, is also a multifaceted personality, good at motivational speeches and authoring books at different genres. Shakuntala Devi was born in Hindu Brahmin family in Bangalore on November 4, 1929. She was found to be an expert in highly complex mental arithmetic. Her passion to expand the human capacity made her develop the concept known as the mind dynamics. It was said that she could auto perform the fastest computer of her times. She has authored the many books like Book of Numbers, Astrology of You for You, Caste System in India, Environmental and Rural Development, etc. Shakuntala Devi had made India proud by displaying her mental skills in calculating complex mathematical problems within seconds. She died in 2013 due to an respiratory problem and cardiac arrest at the age of 83. Thank you, and I wish you a happy Girl Child Day.
Thank you, Maulik. Now I call Inshia Khan for the performance.
A very cheerful morning to all. This is Insia Khan and I am here to recite a poem on the topic I am a girl, not a servant. I am a girl, not a servant. I also have dreams. I want to live for my dreams. I want to see this beautiful world, but I am not allowed to do that all. I am a girl, not a servant. I want to study. I want to see birds chirping. I want to see fishes swimming. I want to see the sky which bloom with clouds. But I am not allowed to do that all. I am a girl, not a servant. I want to know. I want to know where stars go at day. I want to know who is a teacher. I want to know the whole world. I can do this all, but I need freedom. I am a girl, not a servant. I am a girl, not a servant. Thank you.
Thank you, Inshia. Now I call Hiranya for the presentation.
Hello all, my name is Hiranya Dave. I am from class 8B Maharana Mewar Public School. I have prepared a PPT presentation on the topic National Girl Child Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Hiranya. Now I call Manya Tribriwal for the poster. Now I welcome Pranjal Jawar.
On the behalf of Alamana Sabha Patwala, I would like to show her message to all.
Hello,
This is Sabha Patwala, and I have passed from MMPS in 2017. I'm thankful and really grateful to my school for giving me this opportunity to share my achievements and goals with you all. So achievement is a very subjective term because the achievement that I consider, it would be different for you. So I would refer them as my small goals that I've fulfilled. So when I was in my 11th grade, my urge was to serve people. But when I completed my 12th, it went to please other people. And I just wanted to get into the well-known college and to my mass media. When I went to Mumbai, I got an admission, and then suddenly, I realized that
Thank you, Pranjal.
Ma'am, may I give vote of thanks? Okay, ma'am. Ananya Ganotra, President of Legal Literacy Club, could not join us today due to some other competition. She has sent a thank you note. I, Lakshika Dashora, on behalf of her, like to thank our respected principal sir for giving their special time for this event. I would like to thank all our special guests also. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all members of our club who presented wonderful speeches and performances and took their time and performed for these 3 days with full enthusiasm. Thank you.
My heartfelt thanks to everyone again, and very nice performances as well as speeches, and all the guests, those who are alumni of MMPS. Then too, you are still integral part of us children. God bless all of you. Thank you so much for even teaching us many things. God bless you all. Keep on going. Great way. Have Skyful. Thank you by heart.
Thank you so much, ma'am.